Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. The importance of consistently reading, listening, and watching conscious information. Consciousness and spirituality is about knowing thyself. When you get into yourself and understand the knowledge of self, it's important to continuously, repetitiously listen, watch, and read conscious information. When you hear a truth or hear your truth, it's time to put this in your subconscious mind. And we know the subconscious mind gets impacted by trauma, repetition, and symbols. There's no better way to change your mindset than by continuously, repetitiously listening, watching, reading your truth. It's breaking down that conscious mind, making that player hater change his perspective. This is because it's reprogramming or deprogramming the shit you thought you knew. And I'm not talking about that Looney Tunes, Daffy Duck, Black Lives Matter knowledge. Not that Jerry Springer, Judge Joe Brown, Maury crap. Some of these people are bringing the community down. These people are not vibrating from the heart chakra. They are vibrating from the root and sacral chakra. It's all about making money and not raising the conscious level on the planet. If you watch them, observe the way they drool and salivate over somebody else's business. Is he the baby daddy ass niggas? I'm talking about things that speak to you. That level of consciousness that gives you that aha moment. Knowledge and information that's enlivening your heart chakra. When you repetitively listening to this kind of knowledge, you're always going to stumble upon some jewels you missed the first time around. You always hear something you didn't catch the first time, or have a better understanding on a point that wasn't as clear to you. This is breaking down your conscious mind, that ego, and letting your spirit indulge in the information, feeding the baby its bottle. Why do you think I made all these videos with Bobby, Panic, and other spiritual teachers? They are quick and enjoyable lights you can listen to all the time and start deprogramming your subconscious mind. In today's society, we need everything quick, fast, and in a hurry. The microwave age. The videos I'm posting is not for entertainment, although they can be, but for you to repetitiously deprogram your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind knows and remembers all, but the trick is to get that player hater out the way. That monkey brain to step aside and take what you thought you knew and throw that shit out the window. Remember, repetition affects your subconscious mind. Start breaking down that mind control mindset you learned from K to 12th grade. Think about it. Your programming years was programmed by a system that wants you to conform to their ways and beliefs. Waking up at 6:30 in the morning to be in a classroom learning about U.S. history. Fuck that. Learn about your true history. Matter of fact, learn about the mystery. The intellect running your every move is not putting your spirit or creativity into you. Reprogram yourself by continually watching, learning, understanding. Who knows? You might learn something new. Dream wise.